Hey everyone, Scott here with Firearms. Today I wanted to do a short video on introducing firearms to your children. If you're someone who carries a firearm with you on a daily basis to protect yourself, family and friends, if you're someone who strongly believes in the Second Amendment, or you're someone who likes to do a lot of firearms training, you should definitely pass on those interests to your children and teach them that they alone are solely responsible for their own protection. And the use of firearms is an effective tool to accomplish that. So that's something I've been getting into doing lately. I've been bringing my daughter to the range and introducing her to various firearms and the safety aspects and how to shoot, shooting fundamentals, etc. So today I thought I would bring some cameras to the range, and here's some clips of us shooting at the range.
Oh, I can stick that right up in my...
Pick it up, bring it up like that, sideways, and up where you can see it. The magazine, put it in. And while you're still like this, like that, you bring it back and let go. Okay? There you go. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Scott with Forever Armed, reminding you to be ready for the moment. Even if you're a 12-year-old girl, you must train for the moment.